Hi everyone, welcome back to Tiny Talent. Today we're going to draw this very cute Yoshi from Super Mario Brothers. Alright, let's get started. We're going to start by doing the top part of his nose, and he has a big bubble. It starts about here in the middle of the paper and it's going to wrap around, okay? And turn your paper if you like. Now we're going to do his eyes behind it. So we're going to do his little cheek. It's just one little line like this. And then this eye is in front, and it's a bit bigger than the other one. It's a bit slanted also. Do that one like that. And then this one's going to be behind, so it's just a little bit narrower, okay? Done, everyone? And then let's do the black pupils. And then we'll draw the top part of his eyes. Goes up, back in like that. And then this one's a little bit more narrow. All right. Okay. Little line goes down like this. And then this one comes out a bit and it goes in just like that. Now we're gonna start doing the front part of his face. So he has his little cheek. It goes like this, okay? What we're gonna do next is his tongue, and then we'll draw the back. So I'm gonna turn the paper slightly, and we're gonna go all the way out to about here, okay? So this line is as straight as you can get it, and stop about there. And then this line is just underneath. All right, and then we're gonna wrap it back and around, okay? So that's his tongue. He's going for some flies. I love Yoshi. I think he's so super cute. All right, now let's do his mouth. So this line is gonna wrap, and it's gonna wrap underneath, and it's gonna stop about there. And that same line, if you bring it across and follow it across, it's to there. All right, and then from here down, bring that pencil across and wrap it up to about there. Okay, so this is just a little like this. We're gonna curve this down just to about here, okay? All right, and we'll do his legs thereafter. Okay, we're gonna continue on with his legs. So this line here is gonna curve down. And then this one is gonna go down like that. And these are the top part of the boot. So curves like, and this curves a little bit. And then this one curves back that way. All right. And this is the top part. It goes up in a big bubble, back around. And then we're gonna take this line and we're gonna connect it, okay? Now let's just put a sole in the bottom of this foot, or the bottom of his shoe, his little boot. All right. Now let's do his other foot, and it's behind here, so you're not gonna see it all. You're gonna wrap this line, and then this is the same kind of like this, so it's just gonna hit right there. And then this is the front part of his boot. All right, and then let's do the sole of his boot, which is right about here. Well done. Okay, let's do the top part of him next. So this is one little spike. Then he has another little spike right about here. Now this is going to be getting a little bit more complicated here. He does have a shell, so this line is going to go back to about there, okay? And this line is his hand, so this is going to go up, and it's going to wrap around into a finger, okay? All right. And then he has his other finger here. And then the last one is a little bit smaller here, okay? Now this is his other finger, so you're gonna wrap it in and out. Now leave that space there because that's where we're gonna put the shell, okay? We're gonna do this line here. Then do another one like that. Now, this is a little fist also, so it's gonna go around like that. There's gonna be a line here, and then his last finger goes underneath. Well, it's on everyone. Okay, now we can do the shell. So there's one line and it arches like this. Another one here. Now if you bring your pencil across to there, wrap it around and stop. And then the last line is just goes around in a circle, and that's the top part of his shell. Okay, so that's his little red shell on top of his back. All right, let's finish him off by doing the back of his tail. So this goes up in a point and back down. Well done, everyone. You've done so great. Okay, now we're gonna draw in where you color him green. So there's a line here. All right, bring that across. And you bring it up to about here. And then just a big circle around. Oh, and we forgot one thing. We forgot his little nostrils up here. They look like little teardrops, upside down teardrops. All right, that's our Yoshi drawn. Let's color him in. Thank you so much for joining me today on Tiny Talent and drawing this very cute Yoshi from Super Mario Brothers. Hope to see you next time. Bye.